What's up everyone, it's the Naughty Boy 1. I'm just going to be doing a couple Balisong knife tricks. Basically, so far, all I know is opening it. Simple thing you do. And then closing. And then there's this TF2 move, Team Fortress 2. This move where he flicks it around his thumb, and it comes around. He flicks it up like that. You've probably seen it. If you're watching this video, you know what I'm talking about. So, try that again. So unprofessional. Here we go. Fucking crap. Let's try that one more time. Maybe I gotta get into it completely. There we go. I can only do it when I'm actually doing the exact same thing. But anyway, thanks for watching. And as usual,